A big metal pole there. Smell the rain. Yeah. Just lightning hit one of those trees back there. I didn't get it because I just came out. Oh, right.
Oh my God.
It's not a lightning with this storm. Wow. Just note, this is not severe. I'm absolutely surprised. Hasn't done anything. Just briefly. Just that one bolt. There was nothing. I'm surprised. Wouldn't you know, the only bolt of lightning it produced was when I had my camera off. Wow. It was like right in that, right there.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Nothing.
Oh,
whoa, there you go. There you go. That was on tape.
That was on tape too. I got it.
Yes. Lovely. So it's about 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. That's still pretty far away. I'm freezing. You take a video, Rod?
Yeah.
Alright. Rod's all excited.
That was cool. That was awesome. I saw that.
That was
That's cloud to ground.
it was a cloud to ground, but it was a moving bolt. Yeah, it's starting to get. So if this camera shorts out, I'm gonna get a different electric shock. Just as bad. Whoa! There you go. I got that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the storm's still a couple miles away. hang on, I'm gonna run in real quick. What? What's up?
Because this might be a little drier.
Oh.
If it's too wild, then we can,
Yeah, it's... I just don't know how much more battery I have on here.
A lot.
So... yeah. So I'm getting wet.
Yeah, me too.
Get anything closer? Not too close, but... Where was it? I took my eyes off of it for a second. Look at these clouds. So, look at that. Ah! Just a raindrop hit me in the eye. Bullseye right there. Wow.
Should we go a little west of it, or where we should go?
Go a little bit more west, I'd say so.
Yeah. Just so we can get out of this rain.
Yeah. Wanna go?
Yeah, let's go.